camera. Okay, I'm gonna take the card and then put it in the middle. It's in the middle now.
Yeah.
You know your card, right?
Yeah.
You remember the card? What is your card?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Your hand, okay. Other hand on top. What was your card?
Heart, king.
King of?
Lay heart.
Spade. That is spade, right? Like that.
What?
Almost.
Oh my god. How did it happen? Start.
Pick any card. I'll show you the game. Okay. Let me also see that card. This joker, right? Joker. Now you hold that card. Now I'm gonna show you my card too. My card is the Jack of Spades. I'm gonna hold it like this. Watch. My card turns into Joker right now. I'm gonna shuffle up this card. So, now, I want one of you to say stop wherever you like, okay?
Okay.
Just say stop. Stop. Right here? Okay, I'm gonna take the card. Now, you say stop wherever you like, right?
Yeah.
There's no possible ways that I could do anything, right? So, you have your card as the 8 of spades. You see this? Spade.
This.
Okay. Give me your hand like this. Other hand on top. So you have the 8 of spades, right?
Yeah.
Now I will also show my card. My card is the Jack of spades. Jack of spades.
Yeah.
Right? I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna take it. Now I have the Jack of spades. You have the 8 of spades. Now I'm gonna make that 8 of spades into Jack of spades, and mine Jack of spades into 8 of spades. Watch. I got your 8 of spades. And now he's got
Nice trick. Nice trick.
As you can see, there is 52 cards in this deck, right? So actually I put a red card. This is red card. But actually I want a blue card, not a red card. So I'm gonna do something. Okay. Different, okay? Give me your hand like this. And you can say stop wherever you like, okay? You say stop wherever you like, okay? Right here. You say stop wherever you like, right? This is the 10 of club, right? Watch. Like this. I'm just gonna ask you one question. What was the color of the card?
Blue.
Red, right? Watch. I'm gonna turn it into blue card. Right? Now all the cards are blue except for one red card. Can this be your card? No, right? Let's see. This is stop wherever you like. This was your card, right? Now watch. Watch this. Give me your hand. This was the only red card in the entire deck, right? There's no red card. Now. But actually, this was also another red card. Actually, this was a blue card. So there is no red card in the deck. Just see. Just found out. Is there any red card? Careful. I'm in here. Any card. Show it to camera.
Okay.
Okay. You remember your card?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in the middle. Right?
Yeah.
So it went in the middle. So I'm gonna make your card jump to the top. Just like so. Your card. Now watch. I'm gonna take this card and put it in the middle one more time. The span of time, right? Give me your hand like this. The other hand on top. Now there's no possible ways that I could do any kind of force, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna make that card to the top again. Check it out.
Nice trick.
Something card. can't put the card in the middle. The bottom card is not your card, right? Go to top card. Give me a minute. Close the card.
We know time.
아주 대단하셔봐요.
Yeah.
Came out pure.
Yeah, same.
You using any trick or how does it work?
And the great magician never shares.
Where are you guys
A great magician never reveals what's a secret.
Yeah.
Why don't you come inside and do